Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the easiest e-commerce models to start making some cash as a beginner, and literally anyone can do this from anywhere. You simply sell a product from a manufacturer. Most dropshippers source them from China, then sell them for a higher price. And the best part is, you don't have to own any inventory. Once someone buys from you online, the transaction is directed to the goods manufacturer or supplier, who packs and ships the purchased item to the buyer. All this is done online, and you never actually see the product. Some dropshippers source their products from platforms such as Oberlo, AliExpress, among others. Alright, so now, once you've got your product, you can use Shopify or Amazon to sell the products. However, if you don't want to go through the hassle of starting from scratch, you can buy established money-making Shopify or Amazon FBA stores on platforms like Flippa.com, ExchangeMarketplace.com, Latonas.com, and EmpireFlippers.com, among others. As a dropshipper, like I said earlier, you make money by marking up the cost of each item, and you won't have to invest in physical infrastructures like shops, inventory, and even warehouses. Dropshippers who are willing to put in the work will always smile to the bank. Number 3. YouTube. Now, this makes the list because of the opportunities it has availed to thousands of incredibly talented people in the entertainment industry as well as other fields. Justin Bieber first shot into fame and fortune on YouTube and went on to make over $108 million in the first 2 years of his already booming career, and is currently worth over $265 million. Also, singer duo Carmen landed a $1 million deal after their cover of Look at Me Now went viral on YouTube. If you have a talent that deserves to be heard, you don't have to get certified in any way to make this happen. Hundreds of thousands of people are making good money every year here on YouTube. With YouTube, you can make thousands and even millions of dollars with ads, sponsorships, selling merchandise, and courses, and with affiliate links among others. If you have something to share with the world, then make videos about them and upload them here on YouTube and start making money with your passion. Create a channel, and in little or no time at all, you could go viral and have a great career. Number 2. E-commerce store. Another great way to make money online is by starting an e-commerce website, basically an online store. People love shopping, and the internet has made it extremely easy for anyone to buy their heart's desire. And according to Statista, e-commerce sales are projected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023. There's a lot of money to be made online, and one great way to make money is by starting an online store. If you're thinking of starting an online shop, you'll need some sort of e-commerce website builder. Luckily for you, there are plenty of great website builders, which you can use to have your store set up and running. The great news is they require little to no programming skills. Squarespace, Wix, and Shopify are just a few that come to mind. Of course, you're going to need something to sell, and a great reputable platform to source products from is Alibaba.com. They're actually a solid platform to source products, and you can literally find whatever you're looking for, thanks to their over 100,000 global suppliers. So, when you're looking for quality products to sell, you can browse their 40 major categories and find something to source and sell. So, let's hypothetically assume you want to sell this smartphone camera gear on your website. At first glance, it looks like a pretty cool selfie stick. So obviously, you want to get something from a reputable supplier, and you can do that by checking their verification. This guy over here has a gold supplier badge, meaning that they're a gold supplier with quality products. When you place orders, you can also use trade assurance at Alibaba.com to get payment security and protection for your order. So if a situation ever arises where you have issues with the product quality or shipment, you can get your money back or come to some other resolution. If you click on the supplier, you'll find other things they sell. And it looks like this guy, Shenzhen's Yantian Video Equipment, also sells drones, microphones, and several other camera gear, which is pretty cool. So now that you have your website running and products to sell, you're good to go. And this September they're having the biggest sales event, and they're calling it Super September. So if you want to buy some things at a good discount, this September they're offering 10% off on live stream products, $60 discount on transaction fees for new buyers, and a $200 discount on logistics. So head over to Alibaba.com and get some great discounts. 1. Mobile app development. If you're an avid and skilled programmer and you have an idea for an app that can solve a certain problem, then you're not far from becoming wealthy. There are millions of apps on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So your idea must be truly unique, solves a pressing problem, and have a ready market for it to be hugely profitable. Flippa.com is a great website to sell or purchase mobile apps. If you can't find a market for your app, or if you want to buy a money-making app. Drew Houston had an idea for online storage that you can access from anywhere in the world and went on to invent Dropbox. Today, it's worth over $8 billion on the capital market. Eric Yuan also took advantage of the coronavirus pandemic. He grew his revenue to over 110% with the Zoom app, which rendered face-to-face meeting redundant. Several other billionaires have taken advantage of the human need to have things easier by building apps around a unique problem-solving idea. In conclusion, the fun fact about internet wealth is that you require little or no capital investment to start reaping massive profit. The only requirement to succeed on the internet is your hard work, resolute commitment, and consistency. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.